Good afternoon, welcome to We Repair. Obviously you've seen this laptop before. I did a screen replacement on it very recently. One of my viewers saw the screen replacement and came back to me and said they'd had the laptop for a couple of years. The battery was terrible, and how did they go about replacing it? So I said, well, let me go and steal it back off my child, and we'll go through a bit of a battery replacement. Again, it's a really, really easy repair to do. It'll probably take you no more than about 10 minutes at the very most, so we'll just quickly go through it now. The first thing we need to do is get the screws out. You will literally need just a very basic Phillips screwdriver for this. It will take you probably 5 minutes of quickly unscrewing the screws to get that done. A couple of things to note: the screws at the front and the screws at the back are different heights and different sizes, so just be careful when you're putting them back. The ones on the sort of back side of the laptop, so closest to the ports on the back along here, are bigger screws than the ones at the front. So when you put it back in, you just need to be making sure that you're putting the big ones at the back and the little ones at the front, which doesn't take very much time at all. As you can see, I'm already halfway through. Unlike the HPs, which are well known for having hidden screws under stickers and under rubber feet and all sorts of stupid places, these do not. They come apart really, really easy. And then there's not a great deal to see inside of them, to be honest with you, because it's the RAM and the memory is all, the RAM and the SSD side is all built in. They're quite tiny. So once the screws are undone, obviously I haven't quite taken them all out, so just got to be careful. Get a spudger or something in a pry tool. Basically, you just work your way around. There's lots of little plastic clips, so you'll sort of hear them go. Once you can get a gap, you can get your fingers under, and then you just do that. I did just lose a screw onto my lap somewhere, but I'm not overly worried. So, as I say, there's not a lot really to see in this laptop, to be honest with you. I mean, I could give you a quick little tour around very quickly. Obviously, this is your main board. There's your connection for your LCD if you needed to replace the ribbon. Your power button ribbon is just there. There's your Wi-Fi aerials. And then you've obviously got your speakers left and right. And this cable here, I would imagine, goes out to your trackpad and keyboard. As I say, it's really easy. What we're interested in is this connection. So we will just pull it straight towards us. So that's our battery disconnected. So we've got a bit of black tape there holding it down. So as you can see, that's now totally disconnected. A couple of separate cells, and it really is just half a dozen screws. So 2 at the front, and then we've got 1. If I can get it undone. 2, 3. So that's what, 6 screws for the battery. And that's it, and the whole thing literally lifts away. Oh, and there you are, there's your ribbon cable for your touchpad. So that is the ribbon cable for the keyboard, and that's the ribbon cable that drives the touchpad and the keyboard. So that's it. I mean, I'm not going to replace the battery because this battery's fine, but it was just to give you an idea of how it's done. It's such a straightforward process. It really takes no time at all. I mean, I've been recording for 4 minutes, and the battery is out. And obviously putting it back in is just the reverse of a few screws and a bit tightening up, and you're done. So yeah, no time at all. So yeah, as I say, this one does actually just go out to a guy called Dave, who's, I'm not sure where he's based, but he asked me very directly if I could just do him a quick video of it, so that he could replace his own. So yeah, if I've got the kit in, I will always try and do it to help people out, and I will give advice as best I can. So if you found it useful or you want information yourself, then please just drop me a comment, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel. I do have a membership program now, which obviously puts a bit more money into the channel and allows me to buy more kit and more equipment to repair and things. So if you want to see more, then subscribing would do me a massive favour and would allow me to invest a bit more. It's only 99p, so it's not expensive, and it allows me to basically put some more time and investment into the channel. But yeah, as I say, if you enjoy it, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. And yeah, as I say, I'll carry on putting this together, because the last thing you need to see is watch me put loads of screws back in. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon.